Good morning, student. I hope you all are very well and safe at home. In our previous lectures, we discussed about management, principle of management, business environments. Today, let's recall about the definition of management. Management is a process of getting the things done through others with the aim of achieving goals efficient and effectively. Here we discuss a term about a process. A process of management consists of various functions. First is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Planning is the most important function of our management. Other functions are based on planning. So it is a duty of the management, they have to done a proper planning. If you're working in a private organization or a government organization, big unit or a small, even then at home, planning is required. Proper planning always help to achieve your objective and give a proper way to decide how to perform the activities. But without proper planning, other function become only a activity. Produce nothings, only create a chaos. So in every successful organization, planning is must. So business men need to work hard in thinking about the future and make a prediction and accomplish a organization goal. Let's discuss example. Now this is the beginning of your year. You have to plan about a future, how much mark you want to score in a final examination. So you have to plan the things, plan the activity, how much time or duration give to a per subject, which task you will done first and then you can perform the other task. So this is called a planning. Now let's discuss a meaning of planning. Planning is decide in advance what to do and how to do. It is one of the most important function of our management. It bridge the gap between where we are and where we want to go. At present आप कहाँ पे खड़े हो और आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो. So planning involves setting an objective, developing an appropriate course of action to achieve these objectives. And these objectives provide direction for all managerial decisions and actions. Planning is our rational approach for achieving a predetermined standards. All the members need to work hard for achieving our goals. You all are working hard to achieve a get good marks. So planning means setting objectives and targets, formulating an action plans to achieve them. And it is concerned with both end and means. What is to be done? How it is to be done. In planning, they developed must have given a time frame but in a limited resources because our resources are limited. If time factor is not taken into a consideration, condition in the environment may change and all the plans may go waste. If you can't concentrate on your time and can't utilize your time properly, your resources would be waste and you can't achieve your goals. So it is necessary for every business to plan properly and achieve our goal.